Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online English class. Today we will do page number 68 of English practice book. The topic is, can you count these? Before we start exercise, we will revise the concept of countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns refer to things that can be counted. They have both singular and plural forms. For example, cat, cats, man, men, country, countries. In the singular, they can be preceded by a or an. Look at the examples. She has 3 dogs. I own a house. I have 3 friends. She needs an apple. Here you can see dogs, house, friends, apple. These are nouns, and you can also see counting before these nouns. So these are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. They do not regularly have a plural form. For example, rain, floor, wood, water. Uncountable nouns cannot be preceded by a or an. Uncountable nouns को हम count नहीं कर सकते और इनकी plural form नहीं होती. They are always used in singular form. Look at the examples. I have got a little money. There is water in the pond. Please help yourself to some cheese. I have not got much rice. Money, water, cheese and rice are uncountable nouns. There are some nouns that act as countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns depending on the usage. For example, bread. It is an uncountable noun when we take it as a material. For example, a common food that is made from wheat or grains. But when we talk about a particular variety or type of bread, then it is countable noun. Another example is faith. When we talk about a strong belief in someone or something, then faith is uncountable noun. But when we talk about a particular religion, for example, Islam, Christianity, then it is countable noun. Now open page number 68 of English practice book. The topic is, can you count these? Choose the correct noun from the table below to complete the following sentences and insert their plural form where appropriate. The words are life, paper, religion, pizza, bread. These all are uncountable nouns, but sometimes depending on the situation, they also act as countable nouns. A dash is very precious. Answer is life. Life is uncountable noun when we talk about its general meaning, that is existence, survival. So life is very precious. B, how many pizzas should we order? Now we are talking about the number of pizza, so we will write pizzas. C, where are those important papers? Here we will use plural form of paper because those shows that they are more in number. D, a cat has 9 lives. It is a proverb that means cats are very lucky and often they survive the dangerous incidents. And 9 shows that we will use plural form of life. E, religion has been a powerful force in the history. Religion is an uncountable noun. F, he likes to eat pizza because we are talking about the food. So we will use singular form. G, we need about 6 dash for the breakfast. Breads. Because 6 is written here, so we will use plural form of bread. H, we only use recycled paper in our office. Paper is used here because paper is being used as a material here, so we will use singular form. And when we talk about paper as a material, it is uncountable noun. I, many religions are practiced in the United States. Now we are talking about different religions here, so we will use plural form of religion. J, they keep fresh bread in the bakery. Here bread is being used as a mass product. So we will use singular form, that is bread, and it is uncountable noun. Homework, you have to complete and learn page number 68 of English practice book. Thank you.